So today I'm reviewing these bookmarks. It comes with 4 pieces, and I really like how it comes with like a design background for it. You don't need to keep the paper. This is the bookmark itself, but I really like how it comes with a tassel, and you can tug at it and nothing like no little fibers are coming out. But I really enjoy the details. It bends slightly, but not too much. Like if you put way too much pressure, of course it's gonna bend. But overall, these are so pretty, and I just like other bookmarks that are made of paper, like they bend so easily, or these have some weight to it compared to other bookmarks. So I completely do recommend these, and they're just so pretty to have and look at. Like I'm definitely gonna be using these on like books I read and stuff.